Hello there YouTube. So today I will be replacing disc rotors. Alright, so I will be using these two discs front and these brake pads, brand new disc and brand new brake pads. So I got these tools ready as well, just in case. And we're gonna replace those old rusted rotors. So let's get into it. Alright, first I'm gonna remove these bolts for the caliper and pull it up, get all the brake pads out. Then to get the other bolts at the back, these ones, if you could see them, one at the bottom, one at the top, remove whole caliper off. So that's air bubbles. It's not from the master cylinder nor it's from the pipes. That's getting from here. It's going all around. One is out. We get the next one as well. Just like that, using this. See the brake pads, here they are. They are right. Seem not bad. Get this thing out. We get a flathead screwdriver, pull these brake pads out. To the other side as well. Get this out too. Now we gotta get a rod. We tied this caliper so we could hang it from up there. We don't want to lose. We don't want to damage the rocket fluid hose. So we tied it up just like that. Just like that. Then we're gonna unloose these screws. So we get the caliper out. So it's come off loose now, taking it off. It's pretty old rotor. Okay, we're gonna do next side as well. Okay, so here is the rotor. This is driver side. So I'm gonna spray it with brake cleaner to loosen it up a little bit. Now what I'm gonna do, grab a hammer and a timber and start hitting this side. Put a timber here and hammer it down. I'll put it at the back with the hammer. Here we go. Here it comes off. It wasn't that easy. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this part, this disc here, with a metal brush. First I'm gonna spray it with a brake cleaner. Remember to clean up here as well, because that's where all the rust. Okay, after we clean all the disc, removed all the rust, now what we're gonna do, we put the rotors on. So first we're gonna clean them with a brake cleaner just to get all this oil off. There's oil in there. Okay, we fit the first rotor on. Beautiful. Do driver side T. Just like that. So that's all. Replace the rotor, brake pads, and all done. I added some anti-seize the back of the rotors, and that's it. Thank you. Remember to subscribe and like for more videos.